If you're hoping to become a web developer, there are 3 languages that you need to know. If you're new here, hi, my name is Zoe. I'm a software engineer and former university professor that loves teaching folks how to code. This is a quick one, so let's hop into it. Number 1, HTML. HTML is a markup language and is the main building block of the web. Think of it as the skeleton of all front-end development work. HTML consists of various elements such as buttons, text, and images, for example. Number 2, CSS. CSS is a style sheet language which works hand in hand with HTML, adding different styles, colors, and fonts to everything we see on a web page. And finally, number 3, JavaScript. Unlike HTML and CSS, which are markup and style sheet languages respectively, JavaScript is a true programming language, more similar to Python and Java. What JavaScript allows us to do is to introduce logic into our currently static or unchanging websites. JavaScript is what allows users to interact with the web page. Things like closing a pop-up when the X button is pressed, or submitting data in a Google form are all done through JavaScript. Once you master these 3, there's so much more that you can learn, like TypeScript, and eventually libraries and frameworks like React and Next.js. But start with these 3, they are the essential. If you do want to learn more about Next.js, click this video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.